Ready? Start. In the present batch of appeals, independence and impartiality of the arbitrator has never been doubted, but where the impartiality of the arbitrator in terms of the arbitration agreement is in doubt, or where the arbitral tribunal appointed in terms of the arbitration agreement has not functioned or has failed to conclude the proceedings or to pass an award without assigning any reason, and it became necessary to make a fresh appointment, Chief Justice or his designate in the given circumstances after assigning cogent reasons in appropriate cases may resort to an alternative arrangement to give effect to the appointment of independent arbitrator under section 11 within bracket 6 of the act. In Northeastern Railway and others versus Triple Engineering Works within bracket supra, though the panel of arbitrators as per clause 64 within bracket 3 of the general conditions of contract under GCC was appointed in the year 1996, but for 2 decades the arbitrator failed to pass the award and no explanation came forward. In the given situation, this court observed that general conditions of the contract do not prescribe any specific qualification of the arbitrators to be appointed under the agreement, except that they should be railway officers. Further held that even if the arbitration agreement was to specifically provide for any particular qualification of an arbitrator, the same would not denude the power of the court acting under section 11 within bracket 6 to depart therefrom, and accordingly confirmed the appointment of an independent arbitrator appointed by the High Court in exercise of section 11 within bracket 6 of the Act 1996 para. Almost the same situation was examined by this court in Union of India and others versus Uttar Pradesh State Bridge Corporation Limited within bracket supra, and after placing reliance on Northeastern Railway and others versus Triple Engineering Works within bracket supra, held that since arbitral tribunal has failed to perform and to conclude the proceedings, appointed an independent arbitrator in exercise of power under section 11 within bracket 6 of the Act 1996. In the given circumstances, it was the duty of the High Court to first resort to the mechanism in appointment of an arbitrator as per the terms of contract as agreed by the parties, and the default procedure was opened to be resorted to if the arbitrator appointed in terms of the agreement failed to discharge its obligations or to arbitrate the dispute, which was not the case set up by either of the parties.